I'm gonna throw them at people. Unless I like them, then I'm gonna eat them. Are you just taking pictures?
I'm not taking pictures, buddy. Nerding it over here or what?
Dude, he has the greatest books of all time.
What is that movie or book?
It's called The Quickie.
The Quickie. Do you enjoy that book?
I enjoy all his books.
Who is he?
James Patterson.
Huh.
It's fucking crazy.
Really?
I love him.
Yeah, James Patterson.
I love Twilight.
Oh.
This
Well, fucking like that. This is getting safe for somebody else.
It's just called Twilight, damn it.
Twilight is not in the movie theaters.
It was gay as fuck.
And
went
I-
to it with Maddie, and it was gay. The sequel one was gay.
Hey, look at
I just wanted to
gay, gayer, gayest.